I'm inviting you to the local home selling workshop where we're going to share with you how to take control of the home selling process. The reason for a lot of the dissatisfaction out there is the sellers are typically handing over all the power to the buyers. Instead, I'll share with you how to create a psychological advantage so that you can get buyers competing with each other instead of them competing with you. How do you utilize staging to get the most out of the sale? What home improvements you should do, but most importantly, what home improvements you should avoid doing so that whatever you spend money on, every dollar is held accountable to the highest possible return. See, these are the principles that professional home sellers are consistently and religiously following, while those that are having less successful sales are often either shortcutting or not understanding the importance of. Now, let me acknowledge this. In this market, sure, anybody can sell a house, but they're selling a house and they're selling a house. They're selling a house with headaches and with trouble and with potential issues down the line, and they're selling it where you are off and never to look back on that sale because you know you've done it the right way. So if you want to have the tools in order to take power of your home sale, have control of your home sale, and dictate terms rather than having terms being dictated to you, which is what most home sellers experience, I invite you to come to our home selling workshop. Hit the registration button, secure your spot, and I'll see you there.